Is Microsoft PC Manager not working properly on your Windows PC? You might experience crashes, features that won't load, failed scans, or performance tools that don't respond. Yeah, in this guide, I'll show you how to fix Microsoft PC Manager not working in 2026. First, restart your Windows computer. Restarting closes temporary background processes and can resolve minor software glitches that may be preventing Microsoft PC Manager from working correctly. Next, check for Windows updates and make sure you're using the latest version of Microsoft PC Manager. Keeping both updated helps fix known bugs, improves compatibility, and adds the latest performance improvements. Now open Settings, go to Apps, locate Microsoft PC Manager, and open Advanced Options. Yeah, try the Repair option first. If the issue continues, use Reset to restore the app to its default settings. Make sure Windows Security or another antivirus program isn't blocking Microsoft PC Manager. Review your protection history and allow the app if it has been mistakenly restricted. If Microsoft PC Manager still isn't working, uninstall it, restart your computer, and install the latest version from Microsoft's official website. This replaces damaged or missing program files and often resolves persistent problems. Finally, open Microsoft PC Manager and test features like PC Boost, Health Check, Storage Management, and startup apps to confirm everything is working properly. If every feature loads correctly, the issue has been resolved. And that's how to fix Microsoft PC Manager not working in 2026. By updating Windows, repairing the app, checking your security settings, and reinstalling it if needed, you can usually get Microsoft PC Manager working normally again. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.